In this video, I would like to introduce the triple imaging feature of the Adrenalin Visionary pulse metal detector. Using a magnetic sensor, screening done, targets identified in the field through Android phones and tablet computers is analyzed in video in 3. Now we will present to you. I want to show you how to do a video scan in 3. First of all, screening will be done of the field. We take our position at the starting point and program we activate it on our phone. In the start position, magnetic sensor 10 centimeters to the ground. Should be kept at a level that keeps it at a height. On the way to the first crawl. Image does not occur. First of all, reference values are taken. The image starts to form on the second scan path. Each scan path interval should be about 30 centimeters apart. Each step forward should also be 30 centimeters apart. With the magnetic sensor, made scans will be approximately 10 meters deep and that were previously buried. Metal objects, remains of historic buildings and structures containing voids can be detected. Yes. Imaging of the dredged area is finished in 3. The acquired tertiary image can be analyzed and we can get detailed information about the detected targets. Hope to see you in the next video. Have a good day.